Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Mom and Me. In this video I will show you what my toddler eats during a week. But before we start, I want to request you to subscribe to my channel. It's free but means a lot to me. I have more toddler and baby recipe videos already up on my channel, and I'll leave a link of those in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out too. I too struggle coming up with healthy yet creative ideas to feed my kids. So hopefully these ideas will be helpful to you and give you a little peek into what I feed my kids. So let's begin. I'm going to start with my grocery favorites. These are the things I like to shop every time when I go for grocery shopping. In terms of fruits, I like to buy papaya, apples and peaches, plum, mangoes are my kids' favorite. I always like to keep these things around and incorporate them as evening or afternoon snacks. I also buy wholemeal bread or 7 grains bread and hummus. This is very popular in my household too. Avocados and cucumbers are another thing both my kids really like to eat. My toddler likes to eat avocado with tomato and aloo save. I always have dried fruits like almonds, cashews, apricots, figs and pistachios in my pantry for the days when you're running low with the grocery supply. Also, I keep Indian snacks like tanatan, which is aloo bhujia, save, khakra in my pantry too. One thing I'll never buy is any type of biscuit or cookie. I always buy green peas and edamame beans. These are always in my deep freezer. These are the both snacks that my kids love, and they can be instantly cooked in microwave in less than 10 minutes. So these are super easy and quick snacks. So for breakfast, mornings are actually crazy. I'm always running out of options. But on any weekday, I usually do soup and bread toast. That's one option. I sometimes do poha. If there is any leftover from last night, like idli, then I will make masala idli and serve it with dahi. Paratha and dahi is another option. Then besan chilla, and these are some of my breakfast ideas. So for lunches, I always offer sabzi and roti to my toddler and also my baby. I always buy bhindi, brinjal or eggplant, dudhi, which is bottle gourd. I make sure I also buy greens like spinach and fenugreek or methi every week. I usually buy seasonal fruits and vegetables, so whatever is available, I'll buy. Also, I will serve chas or buttermilk with veggie and roti so that the food sabzi roti is not dry and my kids find it easy to eat. I'll also share one of the recipe of methi and potato veggie, which is so yummy. You really have to try it, guys. My daughter, my toddler loves it, even my baby loves it, and you should really try it. So all I'm doing is just taking a pan, adding some oil in it, and then adding garlic, then potatoes, methi leaves, some tomato, and just adding all our spices, and I'm just letting it cook in the pan till the potatoes are soft, and that's pretty much it. And once the oil separates, add a little bit of water depending on the consistency that you want, and just serve it with roti or with rice, and I bet you your toddler or your baby will love it. For afternoon or evening snacks, it's usually fruits, but again, if I'm running out of fruits, then I always have peas and edamame beans in my deep freezer. I'll boil them. I have broccoli, sweet corn, carrot. I steam all these veggies, and both my kids love them. I will sometimes roast corn and then cut it into 4 pieces just so that it's convenient for my kids to hold it, and I'll give it either to my toddler or my baby, and they love it. So for dinners, it's usually rice with some kind of lentil. I try and make dal of thin consistency so that it's easy on stomach at night. I also like to make kadhi, mung beans and rice at night. We call it kadhi mag bhat, or khichdi, or it could be masala khichdi or plain khichdi. If you're interested in the recipes, I will link one of my video where I have shared khichdi recipes. I will use either tur dal or yellow moong dal depending on what I have, and that's pretty much my dinner. So these are some of the food ideas that I make for my toddler and for my baby during the entire week, and yes, they both eat exactly the same food. It's completely your choice what you want to serve your baby, but always remember you are developing their eating habits. So try and give variety and be creative. Hopefully you got few ideas in terms of what I feed my toddler from this video. If you want more of such videos, just request them in the comments below and I'll do more of such videos. And bye for now.